Hello everyone, I am Aparna Manoj, cadet of St. Thomas HSS Irretayar under 33 Kerala NCC Battalion, Nedingandam. As we all know that the COVID-19 pandemic has posed a severe threat to the economy of our country. To overcome these testing times, Honorable PM Sri Narendra Modi has come up with the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan on 12th May 2020. A special and comprehensive economic package of 12 lakh crore that account for 10% of India's GDP has been announced to bring the economy back on track. The details about the package were announced by Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sridharaman in 5 tranches. The government announced this package so as to revive every sphere of the economy from demand, supply to manufacturing and make India self-reliant to sustain and tackle any black swan even in future. The package included 8 lakh crore in liquidity measures announced by the RBI. The government will also provide a 100% guarantee to rupees 3 lakh crore in small business loans, making the country self-reliant in all spheres from manufacturing to supply. It will help the country to reduce its dependence on import and may also give boost to export. The fall in import will help reduce the trade deficit and will eventually lead to trade surplus. This package will also focus on land, labor, liquidity and laws so as to achieve self-reliance. As part of the Atmanirbhar Bharat package, numerous government decisions have taken place such as changing the definition of MSMEs, boosting scope for private participation in numerous sectors, increasing FDI in the defense sector, and the vision has found support in many sectors such as solar manufacturing sector. Call for India to boycott Chinese products are practically difficult in short time for India import $75 billion worth of goods every year from China to the extent that part of Indian industry are depend of China. Result of boycott China movement started showing in early August with government of China's custom data showing that Chinese export to India had fallen by 25% as compared to same period in 2019. So let us support Making India campaign. Thank you. Jai Hind.